Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. My name is Anne and today I'm going to take you through how to open or create your website using your Gmail and Google. So this is one of my websites that I use to do reviews, and I'm going to take you through how you can create your own website just like this one within a few minutes. So make sure you watch to the end so that you can be able to create this for yourself. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started. So this is my website. It's a blogspot.com website, and you can create search to do your online marketing. You can create one for your business. You can start blogging. You can do a personal blog also, or even do like what I do with this is reviews. So it's still new. I've not done so much with it, but I have others. So I'm going to take you through how to get started. So the first thing that you need to do is have a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, go ahead and create one. So with your Gmail account, the next thing that you are going to do is go to Google and write blogger.com. To proceed, you click create your blog, and then the next page that will open, you will be able to select the Gmail account that you want to use. So let's do that. So here we are in the next step, and now we're going to choose the name of our blog. So let me call this blog Growing Online. And then you can always edit this. Then we go next. The next one is where we will choose our address. So in this case is our domain, what our website will be called. This is a bit long. Just make sure you always use short and easy names that people can remember. So it shows it's available. If you put a name here that is not available, it won't show here. As you see it's not available. So just keep trying for a name until you get a name that you like and it's available. So we're going to go with this name, Top Online Daily Tips .blogspot.com. It's available. So the next thing we're going to do is click on next, and then put in your display name. And then we finish. It's now processing, and our blog is ready. So you can go through this and read it. So if you want to view your blog, just come and click here, view blog. So this is how our blog looks like. Now we need to work on our blog. Let's go back here let's go to layout. Sorry, let's first go to theme. Let's go to theme. There are quite a number of themes available, so you can choose one depending on your business. So look for one that suits your business. For me, I'm going to go with this one. I find it very professional, so I'm going to choose that and then apply. If you come back here and refresh, let's see how it looks now. Yeah, so that's how it looks. And once you start putting content, you'll see how good it will look. It will look like this. Very beautiful and very professional. If you want to customize it further, you can click on customize like I did, and then you can choose background color. You can just play with this and find out what, if you don't like the green color, you can choose any other color. You can choose the color of the font. Then the next thing we're going to go to is layout. So under layout, we come to header and click on edit. This is our blog title. If you want to change it, just go there and edit. You can do a description of your blog. So you do a description about what your website is all about, and make sure that you use proper SEO so that you can start appearing in search engine. Now you need to choose a logo for your website. Just come here and click on choose, and then you will upload it there. I changed the name, then I'll go ahead and save. If you don't want the header to show, just untick this and check it, and it won't show, and then you save. If you want people to start following you and getting updates every time you do a new blog, you can check that and then save. It will show in your website. So if someone wants to subscribe to be notified every time you do a blog, they'll come here, and every time they put in their email address, they'll get a notification that you have put a new blog. And then as you can see here, we changed the header, and that is the new one. From the layout, from this section, you can be able to do a lot to work on the look of your website. So for example, if from the sidebar, if there's anything that you want to remove, you can just come here. For example, this one, report abuse. You can come and check that and save. For AdSense, it means you will be able to display adverts, but that one you have to be approved. there's a certain level of traffic and content that you have to reach for Google to allow you to place ads. So if you want to show about me, you can do that. You can just let it remain like that, and then if you don't show it, you can just uncheck. So under settings, you can be able to do more, like do description, add description of your website. If this is not on, if you open a website and it's not on, always make sure that you turn it on so that your website will look secure. So it gives your website security, and people will be confident when they're visiting your website. Now every time you want to do a blog, just come there and click on new post, then go to title, okay, and then come here and write your content there. To change the size of your headings, just highlight it, then go there and select whether it's a heading or a subheading. And then this is a subheading, select that. If you want to change the font, come here, change it to the one that you want. You can also change size. Okay, if say for example this, I want to link this to an external website, I will highlight it, then you go there to insert link, then insert my link there, and then click on open this in a new window, and then click on apply. If I want to insert an image here, go there, insert image, upload from computer, choose files, so you can move this photo to the side that you want. You can also resize it. If you want large, medium, you can also put a link. You can also link it. Just come highlight that and put the link that you want, and then click on apply. Then once you're done, click on publish. And there we have our first blog. So if you want to edit, just come and click on it and you'll be able to edit. So to view and then update. To view our blog, let's go back to our website and refresh. And there we go. That's our first post. So someone will come and see this, and then if they want to read more, they'll click on read more.